What up, everybody? Got a new pair of shoes just in, as you can see from Adidas. But before we get to that, a little bonus unboxing. I got these from Feature, and these I got. I won a raffle. I don't think these are not going above resale, but I got the small version of these. Check out the unboxing video of these on the channel. Please subscribe. Thank you for anyone who is subscribing. But we got the ZX8000 Super Earth ones in kids. And I do not have any kids, but you know, someday I might, and it'd be cool to you know, a little matchy match with the Offspring. And here we go. This is what they look like, in case you were curious. Is this? Oh yeah. So this attaches to the laces. This little guy. They come with a big one in the adult size. Again, check out the unboxing video. I don't know what you do with that one, but these ones come attached to the feet. Huh, that's kind of cute. So on one hand, I really don't condone or feel it necessary to buy kids hype shoes because they outgrow them, get them dirty, and they're done with them in about like 3 months. That being said, I just couldn't. I don't know. Just on a whim, thought I would get these, and so since I have my own pair, I thought it'd be cool. But I'm not going to do this too much. My kid, everyone's always like, "Oh, if you have kids, they're going to have such a fire shoe collection." I was like, "No," because that makes 0 sense. But they'll have a couple good pairs, just a couple, handful. Comes with the bonus laces too. That's cool. The recycled bonus laces. And again, if you watch that video, you know these are all recycled materials. So these compare pretty good to the adult size ones. For the most part, the same. I think maybe some differences. These have like the very pronounced 3 stripes, whereas the adult ones do not as much. Well, at least on this left one. On this left one, the adult one does not have. You can see it, but these are more pronounced. So yeah, that's really the only little difference. But everything else looks pretty much the same. A little heel. The plastic heels is a little different, but that's about it. So these are pretty dope, and they'll look cool on some kids if I happen to have any ever. So, anyways, got those. I'll stock them until I produce Offspring. So onwards to the main event. Adidas hit on Adidas confirmed for these. So confirmed again, high hit rate on confirmed, way better than sneakers. And these are the Yeezy. Let's get this out of the box here. There we go. The Yeezy 350, Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Mono Ice colorway, size 12. These retailed for, what do these retail for? I think $240, I think? Getting up there, getting pricey. Or is it $220? $240 or $220? Not cheap at all. And whoa, look at these. These are definitely different. I mean, similar, obviously, to the 350 V2 boosts, but definitely different in that this mesh, that has this mesh synthetic nylon upper, that the others have that more, you know, woven material, more cottony fabric, and it's got this webbing on the inside. This webbing seems to be made from, if you can see that, foam material, soft inner lining foam. And so you got the boost technology for the midsole, still kind of that you can feel, and then it's just a very clean colorway. I like these a lot. I like that webbing showing through. It will be obviously good with some white socks or some choicely paired socks. Again, if you've seen any of my Yeezy unboxing videos, I don't know, I doubt I'm gonna keep these, but I do them for the YouTube channel and do them for the content, and then I can make just a little bit of money on these, not much. It's really the only reason I get these is for the YouTube channel, so you guys can see them, see what the unboxing looks like, and then yeah. Interestingly enough, they got away from, for these at least, the tied laces, or the all connected laces. These are back to the original laces. So they went that way with these. I like these a lot. Again, if I rocked with Kanye a little bit more, I would be inclined to keep these, but I think I'm just going to flip these to keep buying new shoes for the channel. So again, these I think go on the secondary market between like 300 and 350, and these cost me like 240, 260. So not going to make really any money on these. I'll get my money back in a little bit. That's about it. So what do you guys think about these new version of the colorways? This was specific to this release. This colorway was released just in North America. There was 2 other colorways, the Mist, the Mono Mist, and the Mono Clay. The Mono Clay, I think, was in the Asia Pacific area. I like that colorway as well. But I like these. These are super clean. So what do you guys think about these new Mono 350 V2s? Again, I like them. I like this kind of synthetic upper and this webbing underneath that you can see. So yeah, kind of wish I could keep these, but such is life. Must part with them to make room for new stuff. So thanks for watching. Keep subscribe if you can. That would be most appreciated. And I'll be getting some new shoes in shortly. And yeah, take it easy.